Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Ver2Compares channel. In front of me, I have the two different types of the very same car, pretty much. The Mitsubishi in Evo 9 in the Voltex racing body kit. Because a couple of people has been asking me about, asking me to help them compare before deciding, whether do they want to get the CM model diecast versions. So here is a very quick comparison video, right? So the Error404 has been in the market for a while now. Okay, so it's actually made it's resin material. Okay, so that is a main reason why the price is actually pretty much double of the CM models. Okay, and so I've already done a video review of this. So it is pretty impressive in this scale. And the level of details and yeah, pretty much yeah, okay. Sorry, a bit of loss of words there. Okay, so we go straight to the comparison. All right, so size wise both are actually very close to each other. As far as I know, the CM model do have the Mitsubishi license. However, the Error404, I'm not sure do they have the license or not. Okay, and you know what? Yeah, like as usual, you want to do a comparison video, I gotta remove it out of the base. Okay, so this one Error404 has the running number. Okay, so CM model base does not have any running models to it. Running numbers. Sorry. Okay, so some of the details, because retail price, right? The CM model is less than half of what the Error404 is asking for. So of course there will be quite a lot of detail difference, I would say. So let's go through them. 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, actually one by one. Okay, so from the front, for the Error404, right, the indicator lights, that is definitely more obvious than the CM models. They do have a little bit of that detail inside, but it's not that obvious. Okay, the front air scoop did all these aerodynamics details. CM model did try to they included in, and if you ask me, I think it's to me, in this scale, I think they managed to pull it through, because I'm actually quite impressed that they managed to do it, so thin. Because all along, I imagine only resin models are able to do that. You see the Error404, right? It's actually really very thin slice of plastic there. While for the CM model in die cast, a mixture of plastic and metal, right? It's definitely a little bit more chunky. But then again, if we really do compare, even let's say side by side, right? A lot of the details CM models did actually put through, and that is the reason why I think at that price bracket, right? CM models is pretty done quite a decent job, if you ask me. So the tail lights is slightly different. This one, the CM models went with the projector, I would call it projector taillights. I learned that name from the from my Need for Speed days. Okay, and yeah, I don't know why it looks hanging a little bit, the wheels. I think because I'm just holding it up, because the CM model ones look quite alright. So the Error404 does look a little bit more narrow compared to the CM models version of the Evo 9. Okay, on the back wing, of course, again, the CM model version is a little bit more chunky compared to the Error404 version, which is really very thin. Hence, it does feel a little bit fragile. Okay, and then it has a tow hook underneath as well. Okay, which CM model does not have, but CM model has the antenna at the back. Error404 does not have that. Okay, what else? So the wheels this is the very first version. So I've seen Error404's versions, right, of the wheels. This was, I think, the very first few released from them. So this does not have that yet. In the later models, I do see the disc brake details, because this one, the disc brake is definitely in there, but the wheels, they are just, yeah, it's not penetrated through, so it looks like it's just a whole piece of rim. Whereas for the CM models, there is definitely a disc brake in there, and yeah, you can see a little bit more obvious in this version, which came in the TE37. Hey, sorry, yeah, TE37. Okay, and of course, one of the biggest differences is the CM models. They do roll, and even though it's considered free, the wheels are actually free, but it rubs onto the body, so it doesn't roll properly for the Error404 versions. Okay, of course, weight-wise, diecast is metal, so the resin model, it just feels a little bit weird that it's really very light to the hand. So both are very similar. It's screwed on, okay, for both. Slightly more details to the undercarriage from CM models compared to Error404. If you're into that sort of details, both wheels are threaded, so that's nice. Okay, they're really very similar, even body size, right? I think CM models are slightly wider, and the Error404 version is slightly taller. Yeah. There you go. Okay, so that's my comparison. To me, yep, they're the same car, but the level of details is definitely different. So some of you want, you know, cars that is able to roll, so the CM model is definitely the one to go for. Oops, whoa, okay. Yeah, sorry about that. And yeah, CM models would definitely the one to go for if you want your cars to roll, because all of them do roll. The Error404 ones does not roll. All right. I would say it's definitely value for your money. You want very nice for display, go for the Error404. If you want something a little bit more practical that you can, you know, carry around with you, I think the CM model will definitely be a better bet, and you know, it'll be a bang for your buck. Yeah. Okay, so that's my 2 cents for these two brands, and yeah, that's it for now. Okay, as usual, I will take comparison close-up photos of these two guys and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, and remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss on any of my awesome diecast videos. All right, thank you very much for watching. Bye, guys.